Hey y'all, so I'm over here at Wonder Bread and I'm in the attic. There's a couple wet spots in the ceiling, so I want to show you guys what it looks like in the attic. So as you can see, there's a lot of light in here. A lot more light than there should be. So when you crawl up here, those aren't skylights. That and all that wetness is from the ridge cap, which you can see a little bit of ridge cap there, has blown off. So that's where the water's coming in at, but it's gotten all this insulation that we're gonna have to suck out of here, put down new insulation, cover that ridge cap up with the new ridge cap, put some dehumidifiers in here and dry this whole sucker out. So lots of work, not a lot of fun.